Hi everyone, this is Bob McIntosh at MarineMax here in beautiful Naples, Florida, and today we're on board our 2025 MJM42. What's special about this MJM42 is that she is powered with twin Volvo Penta 440 horsepower engines paired with Volvo's new DPI drives, giving you diesel reliability and fuel economy, shallow water capability, and still the legs to reach out and run at 30 knots very comfortably. Here in the aft cockpit, I've got great seating for 6 to 8 underneath an oversized hardtop that provides ample sun coverage. And you'll notice as we move through into the cockpit area, I've got a glass bulkhead that swings open to give us an al fresco entertaining experience that brings the outdoors in and indoors out. Here in the cockpit, I've got a very cozy dining area adjacent to a great galley and prep station. Dual refrigeration, induction cooktop, ample storage. And as we move forward, his and her pilot seats, power actuated forward and aft, all behind MJM's signature style windshield with glass that opens out to allow fresh air in or keep the weather out, depending upon what the day brings us. As we step below, first thing you'll notice is how bright and airy this cabin area is. MJM did a fantastic job of utilizing large windows to allow in natural light to make this space feel large and inviting. Forward to the primary stateroom, I've got great accommodations for a couple interested in cruising with their own private entryway to the dry head.